Hello students, this is Ankita. Welcome to Global Online Session. So in today's session again we will discuss with the important MCQs on the cell, the unit of life. So yesterday we discussed the 15 MCQs of cell and today we will continue with the other MCQs. So let's start with the session. Which of the following is a single membrane bound organelle? Yes, students. So the options are vacuole, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and all of the above. And membrane bound organelle is nothing but the endomembrane system organelles. Yes, endomembrane system organelle. Yes. So in animal cell GERL. Yes, this is a short form to remember the endomembrane system organelle. That is the Golgi apparatus. G stands for Golgi apparatus. Yes. ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum and L stands for lysosome, because most of the probably vacuoles are absent in the animal cell. Okay, this short form is for animal cell. Yes, so the right answer is all of the above, because endo because endomembrane system consists of four forms, right? That is vacuole, Golgi apparatus, ER, and lysosome. Yes. Next, moving to the next question. Which of the following cell organelles is present in animal cells and absent in plant cells? Yes. So the options are animal cell मध्ये present आहे आणि absent plant cell मध्ये आहे students. Options are nucleus, Golgi bodies, all of the above, and centrosome. Okay. So the right answer is centrosome, because it is present in animal cell but it is absent in plant cell, and chloroplast is present in plant cell and absent in animal cell. Okay students, moving forward to the next question. Which of the following is not a double membrane bound organelle? Yes, double membrane. किती membrane है? दो. There are two organelles which are double membrane. That is mitochondria. Yes, and plastids, which have double membrane. Plastids, in that chloroplast come. So chloroplast is a form of plastid. Mitochondria, क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं है, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम and all of the above. What is the question student? Not a double membrane bound. So it is the endoplasmic reticulum, because it is a single membrane bound structure and it comes under the endomembrane system. So the right answer is option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Is it clear students? Yes. Moving forward to the next question. Which of the following statement is true about the Golgi bodies? What is Golgi body? Golgi body was discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Yes, this apparatus. It is a sac-like organelle. Yes, how it is present? It is a sac-like organelle. Yes, and it is located near the nucleus. It helps in transporting the particles throughout the cell. Which of the following statement is true? So all the statements are true because it helps in transport and packaging of the particles. So the answer is option number D, all of the above. Yes. Moving forward to the next question. Which of the following statement is true about the nucleus? Option A, it is absent in prokaryotes. It is called the brain of the cell. It contains DNA and other genetic material, all of the above. Yes. So answer is all of the above, because it is called as the brain. It contains DNA and other genetic material. This is true. And it is absent in prokaryotes because it is not well developed. It is in the primitive stage. So most of the time it is considered as absent. Okay. So the right answer is all of the above. Next, This cell is the longest in the human body. Which cell is longest? Muscle cell, nerve cell, bone cell and gland cell. So the right answer muscle cell है क्या student? नहीं. Bone cell? नहीं. Gland cell? No. Nerve cell is called as the longest cell in the human body. Yes. Nerve cell. Yes student. This is a rough diagram of the nerve cell. Okay. Next, this tissue includes the blood tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, nervous tissue. Which आपल्याला काय विचारलंय? Blood tissue include करतं. So which is that tissue student? Muscle आहे का? नाही. Epithelial no. Nervous no. The right answer is option number B, connective tissue. Yes. Moving forward to the next question. Which of these are the examples of an organ containing a smooth muscle? Smooth muscle कुठे कुठे आहे? Iris of eye, bronchi only, uterus only, all of the above. Yes, smooth muscles कुठे कुठे originate आहे students? In all of these options, so the answer is all of the above. Yes. Sensitive गोष्ट है ना, iris of the eye, bronchi, uterus, so there are all smooth muscles present. Okay. Next, this structure of the plant cell is non-living. Answer काय काय ऑप्शन्स मध्ये दिलेत? न्यूक्लियस, इट इज लिव्हिंग, इट इज जेनेटिक मटेरियल, सायटोप्लाझम मध्ये फ्लोट करतात, मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया मध्ये, इट इज द पॉवर हाऊस ऑफ द सेल. येस. सो द राईट आन्सर इज सेल वॉल. नेक्स्ट, this cell organelle does not contain DNA. कशात DNA नाही आहे स्टुडंट्स? सो न्यूक्लियस मध्ये तर ऑब्विसली आहे. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया येस. क्लोरोप्लास्ट येस. सो द आन्सर इज लायझोसोम, बिकॉज लायझोसोम इज कॉल्ड ॲज द suicidal bag. Yes, as it digests the own cell by the process of autolysis. The main difference between the cheek cells and onion peel cells is काय difference? Options are presence of cell wall in onion peel cells, presence of mitochondria in onion peel cells, absence of endoplasmic reticulum in cheek cells, absence of the plasma membrane in the cheek cell. So what is the difference between these students? That there is a presence of cell wall in the onion peel cells. Yes, हे कुणी ऑब्झर्व केलं होतं? In the overview of the cell, in the cell theory, that onion cell मध्ये काय बघितलं होतं? See, this is the onion cell and they observe that there is a presence of cell wall, whereas in human cheek cell, yes, there was a plasma membrane PM and they were having nucleus. Yes student. आणि न्यूक्लियसच्या आत काय होतं? जेनेटिक मटेरियल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द क्रोमोझोम, that is the DNA. Yes. So presence of cell wall in the onion peel cells, option number A is the right answer. Next, this jelly like substance inside the plasma membrane in which all cell organelles are floating is called as. So the answer is साइटोप्लाझम, टोनोप्लाझम, कॅरिओप्लाझम. सेलचा काहीच नाहीये. साइटोप्लाझम मध्ये सगळे सेल ऑर्गेनल्स फ्लो करतात. येस. सो इट इज द साइटोप्लाझम. नेक्स्ट, the organelle serving as a primary packaging area for molecules that will be distributed throughout the cell is dash. Options are vacuole, plastids, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. Vacuole आहे का students? No, it is used for storage. Plastids? No. Mitochondria? No, because it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. बरोबर आहे? Yes. माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाला काय म्हटलंय? पॉवर हाऊस ऑफ द सेल. प्लास्टिड्स असू शकतात का? नो, बिकॉज it has three: leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast, which gives the pigmentation. Yes, chloroplast gives the green color. तर आहे का प्लास्टिड? नो. मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया नाही. म्हणजे आन्सर काय? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दॅट इज द गोल्गी ॲपरेटस, बिकॉज द फंक्शन ऑफ गोल्गी ॲपरेटस इज टू ट्रान्सपोर्ट अँड पॅकेजिंग अँड प्रोसेसिंग थ्रू आउट द सेल. So the right answer is option number D, Golgi apparatus. Next, animal cells are interconnected by dash. A, that is plasma membrane, cell wall, desmosomes, plasmodesmata. So the right answer is desmosomes. Option number C, that is desmosomes. Yes. To the next question. Connection त्यांनी विचारलेलं आहे students. Yes. So interconnection is through the desmosomes. Next, the cell theory is not applicable to. Options are fungi, algae, virus, microbes. So the right answer is option number C, virus, because virus is on the borderline of the cell theory, because anything less than a complete structure of a cell does not ensure its independent existence is nothing but the virus. So it does not follow the cell theory. So the right answer is option number C, virus. Next, which of these organelles possess a single circular DNA molecule? Single आहे, circular. And the options are Golgi apparatus, peroxisome, lysosome and mitochondria. So the correct answer is mitochondria, because apart from the genomic DNA that is present in the nucleus, mitochondria possesses its own genetic material, right, in the form of single circular DNA molecule. Okay, and this DNA codes for some mitochondrial protein. मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया कडे काय स्टुडंट? त्याचं स्वतःचं ओन जेनेटिक मटेरियल आहे. सो द राईट आन्सर इज डी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी, मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Yes, is the MCQs clear? Thank you.